Hello and welcome to our brand new channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make an easy origami butterfly. So without further ado, let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial on the same. The material required to make these visually appealing butterflies are origami paper, scissors, glue, doll eyes and sketch pens. Step 1. Take a square piece of origami paper or colored paper, ideally more than 4x4 inches in size. We have taken 6x6, which is suitable for a medium sized butterfly. You can choose a square piece of any size. Step 2. Fold the square along one of the diagonals and then unfold it. Repeat the step along the other diagonal. Step 3. Fold the square horizontally in half and then unfold it. Repeat the step vertically. Step 4. Now comes the important step. Holding two diagonally opposite sides, push the centers together until they meet in the middle of the square. Flatten both the sides so that you have a flat triangle with 4 layers. Step 5. Cut the right corner with a scissor to give a curved shape. Imagine you are making the wings of a butterfly. Step 6. Make the triangle inverted. Take a right curved corner of the top layer and fold them to meet near the bottom corner. Repeat the step on the left corner. Step 7. Fold the bottom layer of the triangle backwards over the bottom edge so that the tip comes outwards on the top side. Make sure not to flatten the raised edges, as this will give a realistic feel to the butterfly's wings. Step 8. Fold the tip that sticks out on the top over the front side. Carefully fold the butterfly in the middle half. Step 9. You can draw eyes with sketch pens or optionally stick doll eyes like the way I have pasted. And give some color shades to improve the aesthetics. Follow the instructions step by step to make a similar looking origami paper butterfly as mine. You can use it as an artifact in your living room or for any wall decor. Make your origami butterfly now and share your views and suggestions in the comments. If you like our work, please consider to like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks and goodbye.